Pull it back further, Chase. Good shot, Cody. Chase, one finger above, two below.
Right there, like that?
You're supposed to have one finger above and two below. All right. All right, Cody, I want a bullseye. Close. Good shots, Chase.